Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to swap the face on the thumbnail using ChatGPT. So let me go in my laptop. Here I want to show you the thumbnail that I have, this one. Now I want to replace this girl image with the boy image, this one. Now let me go back, and after that add the thumbnail image here. Add the file, then go to downloads. Let me select the thumbnail. Here you can type anything. I want to replace the girl image with the boy image that I will upload now. After that press enter. Now it says I need to upload that image that I want to replace. I can upload it, this one. Then you can type anything. Let me say here is the boy image. After that press enter. You can see how easy to use ChatGPT. Just you can type anything, you can give the instructions to the ChatGPT and it will works for you accordingly. Here you can see this one is the final result. That is amazing. So thumbnail is looking eye-catching and professional. So you can use the thumbnail anywhere. Just you can expand this one, then you can select the aspect ratio, then it will again analyze and then it will make the settings for you. After that, final step will be you can easily click this button to save this thumbnail in your laptop. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube